Hello guys, welcome to the 11th session of Create Custom Alexa skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In previous sessions, we have seen build and test tags. In this session, we will see launch and measure tags of Alexa skill kit. Let us switch to the browser. Before publishing our skill, we need to update interface and permission used by our skill. Interface specifies which interfaces will be used by our skill. Our skill may use audio player, display interface or video app interface. Permission specifies required permission by skill, such as address or list read or write. Here our skill not using any of them, so I am keeping it safe. Open Launch tab. From this tab, we can see how our skill will appear in Skill Store as well as publish skills or start beta testing. The first tab is Skill Preview. Details that we will provide here will be displayed in the store. Public name is the name that will appear in store as well as on cards generated by our skill. We can use different name too. One sentence description. It will appear in store when user view list of skills. I'm writing my first skill, the demo skill. Detailed description. Here we can write main functionality of our skill as well as any prerequisites. I'm writing this is demo skill created by Nilay Mehta for learning purpose. Next is example phrases for our skill. We need to add 3 phrases to which our skill will respond. I am writing Alexa open first demo. My name is Nilay. I like Node.js. Note that the first phrase must start with Alexa and skill invocation name. Here it shows warning that utterance is not existing in sample utterance because we have used a slot for the name. Next is icons. We need to select an image for the icon size 108 and 512 pixels. I am selecting any image here. You need to select an appropriate image. Then select the category of skill. I am selecting education and reference. In keywords, write some keywords that describe our skill. It will help to search your skill. We can also add a web page for the privacy policy or terms of services. But for now, I am keeping it empty. Next step is privacy and compliance. Here we need to provide some details such as whether our skill allows the user to purchase things, it collects users' data, allow children with under 13 age to use your skill, and it will contain any kind of advertisement, and certify for export compliance. In testing instructions, we need to write a brief description for how Amazon will test our skills before adding it to store. You need to mention all things properly because it will help your skill to verify more frequently. It will for internal purpose only. It will not display to end user. Next step is for availability. We need to specify whether our skill will be available for all users or for Amazon Business Organization users. From here we can start beta testing for our skill. Note that this feature is available based on the configuration you choose in privacy and compliance, and you also need to fill all details including icons. You can also add beta tester administrator. To add beta tester, you can write mail ID in this text area and click on add button. We can drag and drop CSV file for bulk insert. Here we got our beta test is active. We can publish our skill to all countries or selected countries. Here our skill is ready for submission. I don't want to submit skill now, as our skill does not have any proper functionality that will help the user. From Measure tab, we can check analytics states for our skill. Here we have not published skill yet, so it doesn't contain any charts. From Customer section, we can see details about the unique customer which are using our skills. In Session section, we can see session related data such as started, ended, failed session as well as average sessions per customer. In Utterance section, we can see total utterance request, average request, and the response given by the user. From Intent section, we can check unique customer for a particular intent, total utterances in intent and failed utterances in each intent. Retention shows the usage of your skill over time by groups of customers. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.